In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video resolution in CapCut, so you can export your projects in exactly the quality you need. Let's start right from the beginning. Open the CapCut app on your device and head into the project whose resolution you want to change. This can be a new project you've just created or an existing one you've already been editing. Make sure the project is fully loaded and that you're on the main editing timeline where you can see your clips, audio, and tools. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top or the main preview area of the screen. CapCut usually shows you the current resolution and frame settings as part of the export or project settings. What we want to do is adjust the resolution before we export, so that the final video matches your needs, whether that's a smaller size for quicker sharing or a higher resolution for better quality. To do that, tap on the Export or Share button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up the Export panel, where CapCut lets you choose different output settings. Here you'll see an option for resolution. This might be labeled with numbers like 720p, 1080p, or 4K, depending on what your device and project support. Tap on the resolution setting to open the list of available options. Take a moment to think about where your video will be used. If you're posting to social media and want faster uploads and smaller file sizes, choosing something like 720p might be enough. If you're aiming for high-quality playback on larger screens, 1080p or higher is usually the better choice. Just remember, higher resolution generally means a larger file and a bit more processing time when exporting. After you've selected your preferred resolution, confirm your choice so that CapCut applies it to this export. Before you hit the final export button, quickly double-check that everything looks right. Your timeline is complete, the aspect ratio matches your platform, and the resolution is set to what you want. Now you can tap Export to render your video. CapCut will process the project using the resolution you just selected. When it finishes, you'll have a video file in exactly that resolution, ready to share or upload wherever you like. And that's all there is to changing video resolution in CapCut. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a simple part of your normal export routine.